Hello guys, my name is Pravi Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a do follow backlink. So the website name is geogebra.org. So basically this is a ORG backlink, ORG website. So this is a website dashboard. Before they started we can discuss something about that website. So according to Acharya, this website having 81 domain rating, and according to Moj, this website having 81 domain authority, and the spam score is only 1%. And according to Similar Web, this website having 10.4 million total visitors. This is a monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic coming from Mexico, USA, Colombia, Italy, Germany. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you want to increase traffic and the crawlability from that kind of country, so must you guys have to create your backlink on that website. So now we can start. So this is the website dashboard, and you can also provide this website URL over the description section. So there is a sign in button. You guys have to click over there, and after that you can click for the create account button, and there you guys can add your email ID. Then you guys can choose your username, then you guys can choose your password, then you guys have to acknowledge the terms and condition. Then you guys can click for the so you guys have to pick first one. So you guys are over you are elder for the 14 year. Then after that you can click for the create account button, and once you guys can create, then this website can send you a verification email. So must you guys have to verify your profile. Yeah, so we received a verification email, so there you can click. So you can see the profile is verified, so there you can add your company name, and after that you can choose your category, your gender, and there you can add your date of birth, year of birth, and you can add your location. So and there I can add my overall address, and in the about section I can go to copy some content throughout my website, and and there you guys can add your backlink. So that there is a process. So simply and I can also add this syntax over the description section, so where you guys can access this code easily, so you guys will know how to insert your backlink with your targeted respective keyword. And after that, and there you guys can also add your website URL, and after that you can click for the let get started on. So you guys will see this is your profile landing page URL, and there is okay, now we have added all the details. Yeah, everything is perfect. And there you guys can add your logo. About these things. So you guys have to copy your landing page URL, and now we can open it in next tab, and We'll open it in incognito. So there is a about section button. You guys have to click over there. There you guys will see this is our website backlink. But I think there is something issue. But do you think you guys will see there is no any indication for the no follow? So it's 100% do follow backlink. And now we can modify something. Let me use another syntax. Oh, I haven't closed this tag, so I think that's why this is issue, and we'll save it again. And then let me check. The same thing. Okay. And let me check again. So it's approved or not. So I think there is some issue. So there is a syntax available, so we can use. So you guys will see this is a backlink, and if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so you can provide me social details over the description section, so where you guys can access all the details easily. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.